Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your friendly host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting journey into the English language. Today, our word of the day is divorced. Divorced is an adjective that describes someone who is no longer married. They have legally ended their marriage. It simply means their marriage has finished. We use it to describe a person's marital status. For instance, you might hear someone say, "My aunt is divorced," meaning she used to be married but isn't anymore. It's a fairly common word, and it's important to understand its meaning and how to use it correctly. Now, let's explore some synonyms for the word divorced. Think of words that have a similar meaning. How about separated? Separated means that a couple is living apart, but they might not be officially divorced yet. But it does indicate the marriage is probably over. For example, they are separated and living in different cities. Another synonym is unmarried. While unmarried is a broader term referring to anyone who isn't married, it can be used to describe someone who was previously married and is now single again. For instance, after the divorce, she remained unmarried for many years. Another option, while a bit more formal, is dissolved, as in marriage dissolved. A marriage can be dissolved, meaning the legal marriage contract is ended by law. An example would be, their marriage was dissolved in 2023. Now, let's consider antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of divorced. The most obvious antonym is married. If someone is married, they are in a legally recognized union with another person. For example, they are happily married and celebrated their 10th anniversary last month. Another antonym is engaged, which means someone has agreed to marry someone else. They're planning their wedding. For example, she is engaged to be married next spring. And we could also consider together as an antonym, implying a continued, committed relationship, which is the opposite of a marriage ending. For example, despite some difficulties, they have stayed together. Let's look at how the word divorced is used in everyday life. You might hear someone asking, "Is she divorced?" to inquire about someone's marital status. You might read in a news article, "The actor is divorced from his wife of 15 years." Or someone might say, "Being divorced can be a challenging experience." Let's dive into some usage examples in sentences and phrases. He is a divorced father of 2 children. She got divorced last year after a long marriage. They went through a messy divorce. A divorced woman starting a new life. He is divorced and dating again. She is a divorced single mom. They remained friends even after they got divorced. The statistics show an increase in the number of divorced people. He's happier now that he's divorced. She's a strong, independent divorced woman. Many resources exist to support divorced individuals. The process of getting divorced can be emotionally draining. Her parents are divorced, but they still get along well. It's common to feel overwhelmed after getting divorced. Many people find support groups helpful when they are divorced. Understanding the legal aspects of being divorced is important. Becoming divorced can lead to a period of self-reflection. Coping with being divorced involves adapting to change. The term divorced is a simple way to describe a former marital status. His divorce status didn't affect her opinion of him. She's a divorced professional juggling work and family. The word divorced accurately conveys the end of a marital union. After being divorced, they learn to co-parent effectively. The consequences of being divorced can be complex. She decided to travel the world after being divorced. He started a new hobby after he got divorced. So, to recap, divorced means no longer married. We explored synonyms like separated and unmarried, antonyms like married and engaged, and we looked at how the word is used in daily conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your support helps others discover our show and continue their English learning journey. As a small assignment, could you all write a sentence about the word divorced and share it as a comment under this video? It could be anything related to the word. I look forward to reading your sentences. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep saying hello word.